how you look in a different hairstyle or a different skin color, you want to check out this app. I'm going to show you how to just do all of that. Stay tuned. Here, this is pretty much your home screen. And at the bottom here, you can pretty much take a picture right away of your face, or you can upload a picture of your face from your gallery, or whatever the case is. So let's say, for example, one of these photos is your face. I'm just trying one of these. So you can either change your impression, your whatever, a lot of things, guys. A lot of things. You can change your hairstyles as well. Not much hairstyles, however. Down here, you can change your makeup. As you can see here, the size of your face, the skin tone of your skin. Sorry guys, the smile on your face. If you want to have a smile, as you can see here. And also your age, not just your smile, your age. How you're gonna look in the future. It's crazy. So the beard, if you want to add beard as well, as you can see here, which is really crazy. And yeah, filters as well. You can also add filters to your image. So a lot of features here, which you can add as well and change and so forth. So a lot of features, guys. So also you can switch the image back and forth and so forth. But that's all for the app. Nothing much more than just editing your face, and that's it. So once you're all finished, stop and save, and you pretty much can share with your friends and family on Facebook, WhatsApp, or if you have Telegram installed, or you can just share it genuinely to other social media platforms. So that's pretty much it for that there. And if I go back, you pretty much will see all the edited images at the home screen. So if I long press this image here, you may see this information, but if I long press it, it pretty much will open back and you can pretty much continue editing that image. So all the settings option here, nothing much, just some regular settings. But for the pro option, you get some different filters, some premium pro filters, which you can definitely use. So if you want to try out those, you also get a 7 days free trial, which you can just enable by swiping this here. And you get a 7 days to try out their premium filters. As you can see here, they are showcasing it to you. So quite a lot of filters, premium filters will be added once you get the pro subscription. And you can always try it out for free for 7 days. So that's really pretty much it. And the monthly subscription here is $8, not very expensive. So yeah. So that's pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, please comment below. See you in the next one.